जब तक आप लोग ढूंढते हो अगला ट्रेड, केसोराम इंडस्ट्रीज नतीजे आ चुके हैं और सुबह से ही हम मेंशन कर रहे थे कि लॉस थोड़ा सा बढ़ गया है। घाटा जो है वो करीब 244 करोड़ पर आया। एबिटा में 29% तक का प्रेशर देखने को मिला। मार्जिन जो 7% थे पिछले साल इसी तिमाही में, घटकर अब ये 3% घटे हैं, बेग योर पार्डन, 7% पर आ गए हैं। 10% के आसपास थे। अब हमारे साथ कंपनी के होल टाइम डायरेक्टर और सीईओ पी राधाकृष्णन जुड़ रहे हैं। मिस्टर राधाकृष्णन, स्वागत है आपका सीएनबीसी आवाज पर। ये किस वजह से इतना प्रेशर देखने को मिला है कंपनी के कारोबार पर, अगर उसका अंदाजा दे सके, एंड एक टाइमलाइन भी हमें बताइएगा, शायद उस पर ज्यादा बाजार समझना चाहेगा कि अल्ट्रा टेक के साथ जो विलय हो रहा है वो कब तक खत्म होगा, पूरा होगी प्रोसेस?
Okay, the process will get completed in the second half of this financial year, anytime between September and March. Yes, on the price front, we have been facing a lot of pressure at the Q4, and the prices per bag have come down maybe 10 to 15 rupees on an average in the month of March from the exit of December.
Okay, which is what brought the pressure on your business per se. ये pricing pressure लेकिन क्या अभी भी persist कर रहा है in the first quarter, or it's a thing of the past?
Pricing pressure, demand is bit not as it should be in the month of April, as we speak on 23rd of April. We hope things will pick up. Prices have slightly hardened by 5 rupees, 8 rupees, but not yet to the level of where we were at 31st December, if that is the reference rate.
And what seems to be the reason for this lack of demand? Is it related to elections?
In pockets like our core markets are Karnataka, Telangana, and Maharashtra. Right? Maharashtra, there is demand, right? And Telangana, I would say the demand is a bit stagnant, and circulation of money is a bit lower. So the credit period and all this are getting elongated. And Karnataka, it is picking up now. So we feel between these three core markets, Telangana is where things should pick up. That's a cause for concern.
So roughly what would the EBITDA per ton look like at this point in time, and any signs of it improving in the near future?
See, our exit of Q4 was 450 rupees EBITDA per ton. So if you ask guidance, we should be about 650 EBITDA per ton for the whole year.
Okay.
That's what I would say. But maybe first quarter, if things remain the same level, I don't see much improvement beyond 450. Maybe it could be 500 EBITDA per ton as things stand on April 23rd.
Okay. So we can only hope and pray that things start picking up from here onwards, especially in Telangana state, like you mentioned. मैं एक और चीज देख रही हूँ, आपका रेयन और केमिकल्स का बिजनेस, वहां पर आप EBITDA पॉजिटिव आए हैं.
Yes.
क्या स्थिति अब यहाँ से और बेहतर होने की तरफ ही इशारा है, especially for the rayon business?
So we are very confident, especially on the transparent paper business, which is embedded in the rayon. There is a lot of potential, but it requires infusion, and probably in another 6 months' time, we should be clear of our strategy, how much we need to infuse, and how we take this business forward to create value for all the stakeholders.
So roughly what is your calculation, sir? How much money would you likely need to infuse in your rayon business then?
So the existing debt is about 220 crores there. I would say anywhere between 300 to 400 crores need to be infused within the business to make it debt free and scale up the business too.
Okay, because you mentioned debt. Now I remember pre this whole cement business transfer to Ultratech, your debt was around 1800 crores. अब वो घटकर 200 करोड़ रहेगा और उसको राइट ऑफ करने के लिए फिर आपको अतिरिक्त पैसे की जरूरत होगी, राइट?
करेक्ट, एब्सोल्युटली राइट।
ठीक है सर, अगर एक मुझे फाइनल अंदाजा दे सके वॉल्यूम्स में कितना पिकअप देखने को मिल रहा है अक्रॉस द बिजनेस?
You mean on the
cement side?
On the cement side.
Yeah.
Volumes are, I would say overall, at the ground level, the demand is there. Only price pressure is there predominantly. So I would say, by and large, the demand maybe somewhat has come off, but it is very tepid.
Okay. But that I think by mid this fiscal you wouldn't have to worry about, right?
Absolutely.
Okay. Then rayon business and chemical business. Chemicals have seen some sort of pullback. Mr. Radhakrishnan, could you give us an understanding as to what's happening for your chemical business?
So chemical business on the rayon side is a very strong, a very small business. It's basically the chemicals are used in the manufacture. We sell carbon disulfide and sulfuric acid, which are byproducts. So far it is doing well, right? There has been uptick, but it is too much of a small size for us to really focus on that. It's more the transparent paper will be the game changer because it is a biodegradable and home compostable product. And with the ban on plastics and increasing awareness of using biodegradable products, we are in a good position to scale up the transparent paper business. And as you know, we got a technology tie-up with Futomura, the global major.
Right.
We have been working with it.
So what's the capacity of transparent paper at this point in time, and given the demand of these far more eco-friendly products, would you need to scale it in the near future?
Yeah, so currently we are doing only 50% of our transparent paper capacity. Because on the technology side, we need to enhance certain features to widen the application of this transparent paper. Okay. That's why we are in an engagement with Futomura. So once this technology absorption happens, then the entire production would be sold, and we see a good potential for expansion in this business too.
Mr. Radhakrishnan, बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे लिए समय निकालने के लिए, and good luck sir for Q1. Let's hope things start looking better और जो रेयन केमिकल बिजनेस में एक पिकअप आया है वो बरकरार रहे और बेहतर ही करे. स्टॉक आपके सामने 170 के आसपास ट्रेड करता हुआ. चलिए लेंगे एक छोटा सा ब्रेक के बाद खिलाड़ी नंबर 1 का एक ओवरऑल रिकैप आपके लिए लेकर आएंगे. आप बने रहें CNBC आवाज के साथ.